Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup your Ahrefs backlink database export, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the Site Explorer tool from the menu. Enter the URL of the website for which you want to backup the backlink data. Press the search button to generate the backlink profile. Once the report loads, click on the Backlinks tab. You will now see a list of all backlinks pointing to the site. To export this data, locate the Export button at the top right corner of the table. Click on the Export button to open export options. Choose your preferred export format, such as CSV or Excel. Select the specific data columns you wish to include in your export. If necessary, adjust any filters to refine the backlink data. After finalizing your selections, click the Export button again. Your backlink data export will start processing. Once completed, a download link will be provided. Click on the link to download the file to your device. Save the exported file in a secure location on your computer. Consider uploading the file to a cloud storage service for additional backup. Regularly update your backup by following these steps as needed. By maintaining a current backup of your backlinks, you can effectively manage your SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.